Okay, turning left off Candler Road onto Memorial Drive to the left, going in town. Straight ahead would be Decatur. Behind us would be take us back over towards 285 South DeKalb. It is Thursday, the 15th of September, 2022. It is 12:42 in the afternoon. And we're just going to get another one here of Memorial Drive down to Nick's, and then we're going to work our way out of Atlanta or something. I'm not sure what we're going to do yet. Not sure where we're going to stay tonight. We may stay at a travel center. We may go up to Buc-ee's up there at Darrowsville, Calhoun. I don't know where we're going to stay tonight. Could go to my daughter's. Anyway, y'all ride along with us. If we had been a minute sooner, we could have got in front of that bus, couldn't we? Okay, coming up on 2nd Avenue. 2nd Avenue will take you over into Decatur. To the left, it'll take you all the way on over to Glenwood Road. By the way, it'll go on over to Flat Shoals, that's right. No, this is East Lake. I'm sorry, this is East Lake. East Lake will take you over to Ponce de Leon through Oakhurst. You can fork off here and go under an interesting old bridge at 2nd Avenue. The steps are really interesting. That thing must have been built in the early 1900s. It doesn't have a date on the bridge. Here's 2nd Avenue. Right will go into Decatur, left will take you on over there, and I think Hosea Williams' house is up there on the right. It'll be on the left, turn right up there on the left. I think it could be at East Lake. I've always loved driving into town on Memorial Drive. I don't know how good a video this will be. It's between the sun and the shade, the transition. I don't think this camera does that well. This camera's 4 years old. Or 3.5. I guess it's 2018, 2019. Yeah, this camera's 3.5 years old, and it has done an awful lot of video. I mean, a lot of video. Hours and hours of video. Been a lot of money spent renovating and building it down here. A lot of newer stuff, apartments, condos. A new one right there, probably $650,000, $700,000. And I may be low. I'm pretty sure I won't be high. There's a good food place down here on the right, but I want to go to Nick's. Townhomes from the 400s. They're rather colorful. Pink, green, I don't know what that next color is, and then the next two colors, I don't recognize them. I don't know what they are. Yeah, Mamie's used to be down here too. I used to love coming to Mamie's down here. She's still open, still has one down in Lithonia. Really good food, very good food. Well, I don't have to worry about people honking at me because we're going too slow today. Because we're getting to go slow because of the bus in front of us. So that works. Y'all get to see, get to see stuff better. A lot of history through here, a lot of Civil War history. That's off of Glenwood is where Monument Street, where General McPherson, the U.S. general, was killed, and General, let's see, who was the Confederate general? Was it Walker? Was killed right there within a half a mile. Well, within as the crow flies, probably within a half a mile. But anywhere you see these cannons upside down pointing to the sky, you'll know that is that is a Civil War general. That's a site of where they got killed. In case y'all did not know that, I'll give you a little information. Yeah, now right here on the right, that little restaurant right there, it says lounge there too. Yeah. Some country, yeah, he's still open. What thrift store was here? Right here on the left. I can't remember the name of it. It's floor decor now. A lot of new stuff down here. This is Georgia 154 West, huh? Coming up on Moreland Avenue. Got that cleared out. Well, I could have stopped there at that Jiffy Johnny. I didn't see it in time. Georgia 42, US 23. To the right, take you up through Little Five Points and cross over Ponce, turns into Briarcliff. To the left, it takes you south. A lot of people remember down here when we get up here a little bit further. There's a school up here, but I'm not going to try to get our old school. But I don't know if it's still a school or whether they've repurposed it. Passing by it now. I don't think it's being used for anything right now. Now right down here we're coming up to where A&P's bakery was. And right here on this corner is where Mamie's was. There's a Publix over there to the left there now. Yeah, I used to love to come down here Mamie's on Saturday morning. Now the A&P lofts are right down here. This old A&P bakery. When I first went to work for A&P, I don't know if you could confirm it. Yeah, that's where they are right there. They said 1 out of every 2 loaves of bread baked in the United States was a A&P loaf. Jane Parker, Ann Page, whatever. A&P had 4,700 stores when I went to work for them, and when I left in 80, they had, I think, 500. But there was an excellent bakery. Their iced raisin bread was absolutely excellent. Their pies, the cakes, everything they had was very good. It was a very good bakery. Okay, let's go, let's go. Coming up on the mill at Cabbagetown over there to the right, coming into Cabbagetown. Now there's several different stories. I don't know what the true story is. Somebody said a cabbage truck turned over one time and everybody got the cabbage and was cooking it and you could smell it. I heard that just because of the mill town, you know, people cook cabbage here all the time, but when people would get off, you could smell the cabbage cooking on the way home. There may be another story or two, I don't know, but maybe somebody has some factual information that could confirm one or the other of those stories. And of course, right here on the right, more history. This is Oakland Cemetery here on the right.